If you're looking for the perfect mix of the modern downtown lifestyle with a hometown feel, look no further than 764 St. John Circle. Let's head inside and I'll show you around. The open floor plan of the kitchen and family room makes this a great space for both entertaining and everyday living. Designed to appeal to everyone from the professional chef to the occasional cook, the kitchen combines the latest design and modern features. The home features multiple dining areas, elegant enough for dinner parties or casual enough to enjoy a weeknight meal at home. The location is perfect if you're looking for the California lifestyle, with nightly strolls to restaurants, shopping, and nightlife. The backyard patio offers another option in outdoor entertaining, with room to dine, gather, or enjoy the sunset. At the end of a long day, when it's time to unwind and relax, the master suite is your relaxing getaway from the stresses of the day. The home is truly a gem, nestled away in a serene creekside setting.